Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to start OpenFoam on Windows. I think this is one of the best way to use OpenFoam when you have Windows, right? So the first thing is open your browser and just type blueCFD OpenFoam. I mean, you can open first Google, I think. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Google, and then you just like type the blueCFD. My keyboard is not working properly. blueCFD Windows. You open the first one. Then you just go and download the first one, right? It's going to take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. But I'm going to just cancel out this because I have my installer right here, and then I have it right here. So just going to open it. Let's just wait a few seconds before it opens. Okay. Okay. There we go. So we just next. We just click here. Just next until it starts to install the components. Then we can just I have the software, so I just have to I'm going to close this because I don't really need to install it again. So I'm just going to close this. Once you install this, you're going to have this folder, blueCFD Core 2017, and you're going to have blueCFD Core folder, which is going to have all the components OpenFoam needs. Yeah, so for instance, you're going to find the tutorials here, all the code that OpenFoam needs to run properly. Then we have blueCFD. Okay, then we have then we have the terminal right here. In this case we run our commands and we run everything inside here. Anyways, if you want to open, for instance, let's say you want to run a tutorial, let's say compressible simple phone motorbike, for instance, you can just find the folder you want or create your folder, and you can just open in blueCFD Core terminal. So if you see, okay, now if we see what the folder contains, you just have like two little folders and all run and all clean. So I'm just going to type ls to see the folder content. Right, it's good, right? So we can even type below mesh to generate the mesh, just to make sure it works, right? It's working. I'm going to type simple font to show you guys that it's working, but it's not going to run properly because we haven't created the whole mesh. So in this case, we're using a snap mesh, so we haven't created the whole mesh. But I'm going to type simple font. Okay, so as you see, it works, right? Okay, guys, this is all for today. I'm going to use this blueCFD Core to create some tutorials for you guys, where we just run fun cases using CFD. We're going to use another more tools in the market of computational fluid dynamics to compare the results. And we're going to do all of these using open source technology. So it's pretty cool. Just stay tuned, okay? Bye-bye.